Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the amazing benefits of different superfoods. Today, we'll be diving into the world of asparagus, a delicious and healthy vegetable that's packed with nutrients. Get ready to learn 3 fascinating facts about asparagus that will make you appreciate this green wonder even more. Nutritional powerhouse. Did you know that asparagus is a nutritional powerhouse? It's low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals. Asparagus is an excellent source of vitamin K, which is crucial for healthy blood clotting and bone health. It's also high in folate, a B vitamin that supports cell growth and development. Plus, asparagus contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Digestive health. Asparagus is not only delicious but also great for your digestive health. This vibrant vegetable is packed with dietary fiber, which aids in healthy digestion. The fiber in asparagus helps promote regular bowel movements and can prevent constipation. Additionally, asparagus contains a unique prebiotic called inulin, which nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Another incredible benefit of asparagus is its anti-inflammatory properties. Asparagus is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and saponins, which have anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Regular consumption of asparagus can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. So, adding asparagus to your diet can contribute to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Asparagus is truly a remarkable vegetable, with its numerous health benefits and delicious taste. Remember, it's not just a side dish, it's a superfood that can enhance your overall well-being. So, why not incorporate more asparagus into your meals and enjoy the incredible advantages it has to offer? It's a superfood that can enhance your overall well-being. So, why not incorporate more asparagus into your meals and enjoy the incredible advantages it has to offer? If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting superfood facts. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of nutritious foods.